everybody, my channel.
Emma, what we doing today?
St. Patrick's Day slime.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're new to All Emma TV, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Okay, guys, so today we will be making St. Patrick's Day slime.
And
before we start, guys, please have a safe St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, have a safe St. Patrick's Day.
Okay, tell them what you need to make the slime.
You need some water, hot water,
warm water,
and some glue.
Glue.
Wow, why the glue all out? And a measuring spoon, and baking soda, and this contact solution.
Contact lens solution.
Yeah. And a mixing stuff.
Mixing spoon.
Mixing spoon. And
Food coloring.
Food coloring. And
sparkling glitter.
And a board.
Okay, guys. Let's get started.
Yes.
So you need a half a cup of glue.
Okay. Put the glue first.
Yes.
Okay.
Put all of it.
Okay.
You got it, or you want me to open it?
I got it. I almost. Wow! That's gonna fall on the table. I hope this one's gonna be good. Go to circle.
Okay, guys, you're gonna take a half a teaspoon of baking soda and pour it into half a cup of warm water. Go, Emma, pour it in. Is that all out? And now you're gonna mix it
Okay.
slowly.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, I think it's done now.
I think so.
Next, you're gonna pour it into the slime. I mean, into the glue.
Okay.
Go, Emma.
Pour it.
Now you're gonna mix it. Mix it, Emma.
Okay. Now we're gonna put food coloring glitter.
Yes.
Wow!
So we're using green food coloring.
Yeah. That's the last time, guys.
Put the glitter, Emma.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna keep mixing. And now we're gonna put in the lotion.
Wait, Emma.
Okay.
Put it little by little. Okay, mix, Emma. Mix. Wait, let me put some more. You don't want to don't put all at once, guys.
Yeah, just need to put little tiny bit drops.
Okay, guys, you see, look. There go the slime.
There got the slime! Woo!
Now I'm going to take it out.
Okay, let's take it out.
Emma.
Okay, let's take it out. Woo! Okay, this is how it's turned out, guys. Woo!
Okay, Emma, let me show them.
Okay.
Oh, this slime is so pretty.
Yeah. Whoa! It's always sticky on mommy's hands, not on my hands. Whoa, that is so amazing. Ooh.
Hear that sound? Love that sound. so pretty. So soft. Okay, Emma.
I can't have a piece, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, give me one.
You hear that? Oh, I love that sound. Emma want a piece, guys. So I'm gonna give her a piece. Here you go.
Thanks.
Here you go. Don't get it on your clothes, please.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is the final slime. See, it's come out so pretty. It's so soft.
That is more.
Look at all that glitter. It's so pretty. Don't mind the glitter on the table, guys. It comes right off.
But I don't like the glitter on the table, God.
I think the glitter on the table makes it more pretty.
Yeah, because Minnie Mouse is so pretty on the table.
What?
Minnie Mouse is so cute on the table. I have a Minnie Mouse table. So good.
Wow, so pretty, so pretty.
So pretty. Ah! Comment down below you like slime, guys. And comment down below I did a good job. Bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Get a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on.
Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
And guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get all the notification when Emma upload new video.
Guys, I want to tell you something. I bothered my parents. Please, I make some slime. Please, I make some slime. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. We love you and we